This hairline is hairlining, okay? I just wand curled my whole head, even though I don't think my camera was recording when I did so. So this is why you're jumping into this part right here. I am like itching to cut this hair because I don't know, I just feel like I want to cut it. So while I'm still debating that, I'm gonna give you guys the specs on this hair just really quick. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I know we got the intro out the way. As you guys saw, well, you didn't see me curl it because my camera wasn't recording, I guess. I don't know what happened, but my battery died and I probably forgot to push record. But I did go through and just wand curl it with my wand curler. Yeah, I am debating on cutting this hair, so while I'm still thinking on it, I'm going to give you guys the spec. This video is kindly sponsored by Luvwin hair. I'm also going to add it on the screen so that you guys can see all of the links, the company name, the links to purchase, links to other units they have, a coupon code, all of those type of things will be listed in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. So y'all see they got me stepping outside my comfort zone, y'all. Stepping outside my comfort zone. So I am in color. I am typically an all black hair type of girl, but this company has me in color. They have me in color. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about how my complexion looks in this just yet. I feel like if I cut it, I probably would like it on me just a little bit more. But yeah, so this is their 13x4 honey blonde highlight wavy human hair wig. It is cut into a bob. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna turn around to the back. Yeah, it is cut into a bob. I did go ahead on and do like this little side part, but you definitely could do the middle. I started off doing the middle part, but then I was like, okay, middle parts are so basic, you know. I thought I would just kind of jazz it up just a little bit and do a side part, and I always do a middle part anyway, so I just thought I'd do something different and do a side part. But you definitely can do a middle part, and I definitely can change it if I'm just not feeling it at all. Anyway, I could put it back to a middle part. I believe I have their 10-inch. I'm not 100% sure on the inches that I have, but I think I have their 10-inch unit. I'm not sure. It's pretty long. I might not have a 10-inch. I might not have a 10-inch. I'm loving the hairline on this. This is their HD lace unit. It's 180 density as well, so it is nice and full. But this hairline is... this hairline is hairlining, okay? Like, this looks really, really good. It's a pre-plucked hairline as well. Pre-highlighted. Definitely a glueless install, as you guys seen. I just used my what is this, the Even Wonder Lace. I use it in all my hair videos, but as you saw, I still could take that comb in and move it around the hairline. Just really just pop it off. All this does is just kind of create like a mold for the glueless. You know, you don't need to go get Ghost Bond and, you know, all these other like glues to glue down your unit. You can use, you know, like the Mega Hold. I use the yellow bottle, the Mega Hold. They have a black and a red bottle as well. Yeah, so you definitely can do a glueless install with this, which is what I did, which is very convenient, and I feel like it's the less stress on your edges and on your hair as well. Yeah, I'm really liking this unit. It's really soft. It's really soft. It's really bouncy. And I only have that adjustable strap on, the tightest. I don't have no combs in, and I mean, it's not gonna go nowhere. Like, if you were like nervous on, you know, because you didn't glue it, like would it come off, like this, it's not gonna go, it's not gonna move nowhere. It is very nice and snug. It's not gonna come off. So you definitely can wear these units in confidence that it's not going to move on your head. I think I'm going to cut this. I just think I just want to just really like play around in this unit, and I want to cut it just so I can feel like, you know, it like compliment me just a little more. This is the company that came out with like those, or like they're like known for like their kinky edges. I don't know if y'all seen those videos of the kinky edges, like the 4C edges. Yeah, this company is very popular for that. So this is just another unit that they have outside of that, outside of those. Oh, I am in love with this hairline. Like, this looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. Okay, y'all, just in case I messed this up, which I don't think that I am, but I definitely want to take my time, so I'll probably come back and just insert, I'll just come back and insert a clip of how it ended up coming out looking. I'm just so stuck on black hair that I feel like I look funny with color on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Luvwin, for sending this over so I can show the girls what you have going on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one.